that was Kensington Market. What a cool place. So colorful, so many different people, different cultures, different shops.
Definitely. Only third time for me coming here. Even living here for 19 years.
Yeah, third time.
Third
You've
time.
always come with family.
Yes.
Came with your
Boring.
sister.
Sister and niece and my father and my stepmom.
Those are two separate times.
Two separate times, correct. And third time here.
Something new to see every time that you come, right?
Oh yeah, it's always something new.
Today we went to Fika, which is,
Swedish!
yeah, and of course you're Swedish, in
Yes.
case you guys don't know that. And Fika means,
A break in the middle of the day, a break to sit down or stand up, but basically sit down and somewhere cozy. Have a tea, coffee, sandwich,
Pastry.
or pastry, cinnamon bun is a
or
classic.
like we had
Yeah.
today,
Yes,
salmon on toast.
yes. smoked
It was
salmon.
delicious.
Oh my god, that was good.
Smoked salmon is a classic Swedish culinary item.
And there was pickles on it,
And there were pickles on there for
I'm
someone who
not a
doesn't
fan of
normally.
pickles.
Yeah,
but it was yummy.
Right.
Those were yummy. They were different from normal pickles.
they're mild. They were
Mild,
not
yes,
too intense.
Yes, yes.
So that was awesome. So that was Fika and
The cute little shop, Good Egg.
a bookstore,
Yeah.
many cooking books along with some cooking items, utensils, things like that.
And I found some presents there.
You did.
Yeah.
One for Bella and
Yeah.
one for Elsa.
Yeah.
For Bella, you got that.
Yoga
Funny
for stiff birds. Some really cute illustrations. We did show that in the video, but they're really cute.
Yeah.
I think she will be happy with that. And some
Then for
really
Elsa,
artsy, different kind of mugs. Yes.
yeah,
Yeah.
it reminds me a bit of Gary Larson, The Far Side. That
yeah.
kind of really dry, kind of sarcastic
Yeah,
humor.
yeah.
So
Yeah.
they got some nice surprises for them. And we also went to Courage My Love. Courage My Love was a big blast from the past. I used to go there all the time. When I was in music at the University of Toronto performing with the orchestra there, I was a violinist. I would go, being on a student budget, which is not very much money, I would go there and buy used tuxedos.
Oh.
So the bow tie, the
Wow.
black jacket with
What
the
a
satin
memory.
lapels, and then the stripe down the leg as well. That was a good place to go buy
You
that
must have
stuff. It was
looked
cheap.
really cool.
Well, I tried. Yeah, that was fun to see all that
Yeah.
kind of stuff. Yeah, coming here was also a little bit kind of tough a couple of times as well, because I thought of Adam and Jet, my boys who I haven't seen for a few years now. But yeah, so bringing back memories of times with them, that was a little bit upsetting. But those were good times as well. And hopefully in the years to come, when they're ready, we'll be able
Yes.
to reconnect and
Yes.
then make some new
Yes,
memories
new-
together.
Yes.
So I'm grateful that you and I were able to come here
To make
and
memories.
do our own thing.
Yes.
Start something new.
Mhm.
We had lunch at El Rey.
Ooh, that was some really yummy tacos.
Mexican, you love
I
Mexican.
love Mexican food.
Good thing there's like 5 or 6 or 7 different Mexican places here to
Yeah.
choose from. And the one that we chose was pretty
Really
cool.
good. Yes.
Yeah.
It's good.
Nice interior design,
Yeah.
very cozy feeling, and the food was a plus.
Yes, food was yummy.
Yeah, go check it out, guys. El
Mhm.
Rey. Do you guys like Mexican food? What's your favorite cuisine? Where would you have come if
Yeah.
you came to Kensington Market? Do you have some favorite places here? Let us know.
Yes, please.
Cocktail Emporium.
Ooh, yeah, that was a cool place. I liked all those different glasses. Oh,
So many to choose
yes.
from.
But I did see a few that I think could be really cool in our new home.
Something for us.
Yes, for us. Yeah.
That's exciting.
Yeah. Did you see the cute tiki bar that was in the end of the shop?
The tiki bar, yes.
Yes.
What is tiki? I don't even know what tiki is.
I think it's Hawaiian.
Hawaiian, yeah.
I guess.
Hawaiian cocktails. That's Hawaiian style partying.
I
drinking.
think so.
The tiki.
Yeah.
Well,
The tiki hut. It was cute.
cool. Yeah.
Yeah.
All right, guys.
Thank you
Enough
for
of that.
watching.
Yeah.
Always fun to do this with you.
We hope to see you back in a couple of weeks when we have another episode for
Yeah.
you.
Bye.
Bye.